There are two ways to measure time. One is according to the critical needs of 21st century auto manufacturing, and the other involves decades of leadership in meeting the very highest standards of the auto industry. At EXCO, we measure time both ways. EXCO's quest for excellence began half a century ago with the launch of a five-man tool-making shop, whose goal was to provide the die-casting industry with the highest quality and most effectively engineered and designed tools. Time and hard work proved this vision correct, and the original venture is now a global supplier of casting technology, serving some of the world's most demanding automotive corporations with engineering, manufacturing, and die-casting expertise. Years of ingenuity in the design of large dies and extensive experience in the field of high-pressure die casting has led EXCO to devise the Excel system, the complete A to Z engineered die casting system. Excel integrates engineering expertise, cutting-edge manufacturing, value-added casting cell components, and unrivaled die-cast tooling into one efficient and harmonious die-casting system. Beginning with the customer's database, EXCO engineers propose innovative design concepts for the die. Tooling capital costs, ease of maintenance, low downtime, scrap rate targets, and of course, the required casting quality are ultimate factors that influence their choice of design recommendations. Employing advanced computer simulation techniques, EXCO predicts the flow of molten metal through any proposed runner and gating system and determines the optimal part orientation and fill pattern needed to achieve the required casting quality. Thermal analysis targets the die's hotspots, later addressed in designing the cooling line system. Finally, EXCO applies finite element analysis, or FEA, for in-depth stress and deflection analysis. This ensures predictable behavior of the die design under the various forces that will be experienced in the high-pressure die casting environment. In constant consultation with the customer, the optimum design is chosen and the work begins. EXCO houses state-of-the-art CNC machining centers controlled by an internally developed computerized manufacturing system that manages the manufacturing process, providing the high level of accuracy and repeatability required to consistently deliver components that meet tolerance requirements. This accuracy is verified through the inspection of key subassemblies and die components. EXCO employs its own X-Check program, directly comparing parts from the largest die shoe to the smallest cavity insert against the tool database. The wide array of machining centers, large boring mills, and CMM equipment under one roof provides EXCO with the speed, capacity, and depth to handle multiple projects of any size simultaneously. Pioneers in the area of interchangeable subassemblies, EXCO exceeds customer expectations by incorporating innovative concepts and patented features in the design of its dies. Research confirms that programs initiated with interchangeable slide technology benefit from reduced capital tooling costs, lower maintenance costs, and increased uptime. What's more, patents involving toggle locking slide mechanisms permit unique part orientation. The result is optimum metal flow, as proven in an otherwise difficult to cast instrument panel. EXCO's knowledge and experience of the die casting environment has produced a number of value-added cell components, including DTEC. DTEC is a die temperature control system uniquely engineered for each die. It is designed to adapt to variations in the day-to-day process conditions, effectively maintaining consistent operating temperatures. The result? Higher casting quality and lower scrap rates. The newest addition to the range of products and services offered by EXCO is the Gerliva Sprue Technique spray technology, an integral part of the EXCO Excel system. This technology enables customized spray heads to be built, conforming to the unique cooling and lubrication requirements of the individual die cavity. Without sacrificing part quality, customers can expect dramatic reductions in spray time, improving the efficiency of the die casting cell. Finally, The customer's operating environment is simulated in EXCO's own die casting facility. Featuring a 3,500-ton Prince die casting machine capable of producing either aluminum or magnesium parts, the in-house foundry at EXCO offers customers access to a unique environment where die casters, die designers, and tool engineers can work in tandem. As each sample is run, process parameters are tweaked and modified, and the sample castings are inspected, machined, and leak tested. This process is repeated until all porosity, distortion, leakage, or other common die casting problems are eliminated, and the casting confirms every design requirement. In an industry undergoing tremendous pressure for increased productivity and reduced costs, ensuring maximum efficiency from capital investments is essential. Responding to this critical need, EXCO engineers strive to bring new and innovative concepts to the market, as demonstrated by the Excel system. It is the complete A to Z engineered solution for die casters. The same talents, the same individuals, the same dedicated project team follows every stage to ensure compliance with the highest standards of quality. The rewards for this obsessive approach have been many and gratifying. EXCO, certified to QS 9000 TE, has received Daimler Chrysler's annual Pentastar Award and the Daimler Chrysler Award for Significant Improvement deploying CATIA VPM solutions. General Motors has added its GM Saturn Corporation UAW Outstanding Achievement Award. And today, EXCO is recognized as a global leader in the manufacturing of high-pressure die-cast tooling. Wherever roads may lead, in North America and beyond, they are traveled more reliably and more economically thanks to advances pioneered and perfected by EXCO Engineering. That's been the case for 50 years now, and that's an impressive amount of time, no matter how you measure it.